Alrighty, let's think a bit more about this correlation coefficient, this R value I've told you about, and we'll do some calculated examples in class together if you want. But basically, it's got a few different names. It could be called Pearson's correlation coefficient. It could be called Pearson's product moment correlation coefficient. We don't use that very much. The Maths Quest does favour that sort of that way of calling it, or for short, the correlation coefficient. Or if you just really want to call it just a really short thing, we'll call it the R value. But most of the time it'll be called the correlation coefficient or Pearson's correlation coefficient. So how do we find that with our calculator? Well, we just put our data in a spreadsheet and name it. That's something we're getting pretty good at doing by now. Instead of adding a graph page like we would for a scatter plot, we're going to add a calculator page, and then we're going to go menu, statistics, stat calcs, and then this linear regression a plus bx, it's about the fourth one down. That's going to tell us a few things about that line, and one of the things is how strongly correlated that is, or what our R value is. So choose your independent variable, that'll go in the thing that says X list on your calculator, and then choose your dependent variable, that'll be the thing that goes in the Y list in your calculator. And then number 6, we're just going to hit OK, and then one of the values will say, it'll actually say R, so it'll have a few different equations of lines and things. It'll have an R squared, which you're going to see in a minute, but one of the values will be R, and we just need to read it.